good to be back. It's good to be back. Here we go. Well, welcome back, happy people. Just join me just as I'm going past Humberside Airport. Just been through Brigg and a load more houses and stuff, so good to be back in the saddle. Beautiful, beautiful day. An update, guys, on the tour this year in Scotland. All booked, all paid for. We've got a static van again at one of the Parkdean Holiday parks, based in Tummel Valley. That's Tummel with a 2 M's, not N's. And it's near Pitlochry. There is 4 of us going at the moment. Muzzy from last year, Russ from last year, and Mick from last year, and myself, of course, fat lad. But yeah, and I've also been on base camp, Garmin base camp, and plotted 3 routes to do while we're there. So 3 days are taken up already, and they're all around about the 200-mile kind of range. I think it's like one at 180, one 190, and one at 220, something like that. But yeah, I've put them together with Garmin Basecamp and programmed them into my sat-nav ready for when we get there. And I've also been on Google Earth. You can actually export your routes from your Garmin Basecamp as, I believe it's KML files, which then open up into Google Earth. And then you can sort of do a virtual ride around in Google Earth. And I mean, I haven't been around them all, it'd take me forever, like, but I've had a little look, dropping my send down onto the straight views, and there looks to be some cracking roads, happy people, so there's one to look forward to. Fast approaching June, and of course the whole tour will be put up on here when we've got home and I've edited it all, so keep watching, guys. One of the main reasons I've come out today, actually, is to show you an addition to my collection of what I call toys for touring. I've got a new little gadget. Obviously I'm out with me 2 drift cameras, which is what you see me on the old dash cam, and Drift Ghost S. I've also brought me what I call my big camera for stills, my Canon 5D Mark III, so I'll take a few stills of said gadget when we arrive at where I want to be. And I brought the Panasonic X900, which is my handheld video camera that I do all my handheld footage with when I'm touring around and doing a bit of filming and doing motor vlogs and that. And also the new edition, which you will see very, very shortly. It's just so nice to be sat in this saddle again. I wish it was on the new machine, but I do love this one. We have been together now 11 years, me and the Pan, and we are as one. Also, touring in the pipeline, WAF, who I think I've put some, I have, yeah, we went to, obviously, Birkwell and Matlock together. Also, we did the Cleethorpes Puma Trainer tour, if you remember that one. Yeah, well, WAF's got a new machine as well, and he's busting a gut, he wants to be going touring again, so I think before I go to Scotland, I'll be doing something with WAF. We are talking possibly abroad, nibbling across on the old tunnel, having a look across the water again, or if not, who knows, the lakes or Derbyshire, wherever. Somewhere nice. There's a big bird up in the sky there. Well, it really has turned out to be a cracking day. Beautiful, beautiful sunshine. Cannot fault it. Happy days. The place that I'm heading to is a little nature reserve that I just kind of come across one day when we was out touring. Well, it was out for a day with WAF actually, on our way to Mablethorpe, and I thought it would probably be the ideal place to just try this new little gadget out. Saltfleetby. Oh, we're nearly there, because I think it's actually called Saltfleetby Nature Reserve, if I'm not very much mistaken. Yeah, 3 miles, or 3.8 miles, sat nav saying. Thank you to everybody who subscribes, I really do appreciate it, and it seems to be growing and growing and growing, so I must be doing something right. Look at that old red phone box here, going off subject. Yeah, it's growing and growing and growing, and getting some very nice comments from a lot of viewers, so yeah, I really do appreciate that. Thank you very much. I think this is it up here. It's kind of on the seafront. Yeah, I recognise the sand dunes up above. Over this bridge. Quite a nice view, isn't it, happy people? Very nice. View here, but looks a bit. There we go, look. Its full name, Saltfleetby Dunes, National Nature Reserve, Mkiii Park, Mkiii Wildlife Trust. Happy days. And there we are. Beautiful. How quiet is it? How beautiful is it? Sea right over yonder. Surrounded by massive sand dunes and marshland. Quite beautiful. Right people, time to unveil a new toy. It's a drone. Shall we send it up? Have a little look? Why not? Only a tiny little thing, look. Send her up and have a little look what's around here. Should be able to get some good footage with this on the tours, coming up tours. Right, let's give this a bash.
bit of fun. Let's hope I've got a little bit of footage that's usable for my first attempt. If I have, you'll have probably seen it by now, but I took some pictures, done a bit of video. It's got to improve touring, hasn't it? Happy days. In a bit, guys.
Thank you, Saltfleetby. There's enough speed bumps here. This is a nice bit of road from there up to Cleggy. Whether or not I go the full way to Cleggy, I don't know, but so yes, happy people. Nice to get one of these back up on YouTube. Enjoyed that little experiment. Hopefully it's worked. And I've had some half decent shots. And a bit of aerial video to show you. And now you've seen the new addition to the Toys for Touring. Things you do to make a good film, eh?